G'day, here's a nice piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted to help show the colours. The white that you're seeing there is a reflection of the lights from the water. The opal drops down here. The brown's just a stain. Interesting sort of cobblestone pattern here. So maybe you could polish that and have it as an interesting sort of a bit different stone. There's no opal there, so what you see here is what you're going to end up with, I think. It is what it is. Maybe that way. Picture stone. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.